In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment methods in Stripe. We'll walk through the Stripe dashboard together so you can easily turn different payment methods on or off depending on what works best for your business. This is really useful if you want to start accepting new ways for customers to pay or simplify things by limiting options. First, open your Stripe account and go to your main Stripe home dashboard. This is the central place you land after logging in, where you can see an overview of your payments, balances, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct environment, either live or test mode, depending on what you want to configure. Test mode is perfect if you just want to experiment without affecting real customers. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon. This opens up the Stripe settings area where you can control many aspects of your account, including payments, billing, and other features. Any changes you make here can affect how your checkout behaves, so it's worth moving through these options carefully. Inside the settings, find and click on the section labeled Payments. This is where Stripe groups all the options related to how you accept money from your customers. If you manage multiple products or countries, this area is especially important because different payment methods might be more popular in different regions. Within the payment settings, you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the tab called Payment Methods. This tab is dedicated to enabling and disabling the specific methods your customers can use at checkout, such as cards, digital wallets, bank debits, and other local methods Stripe supports. On this payment methods page, you'll see a list of all available options, usually divided into enabled and disabled methods. From here, you can disable any payment methods that are currently enabled but you no longer want to offer, and you can enable any that are currently disabled. Typically, this is done with simple toggle switches or buttons next to each method. Before you turn a method on, take a moment to think about where your customers are based, any fees associated with that method, and whether you've completed any required setup for it. After you've made your changes, they'll apply to your Stripe-powered checkout, so your customers will immediately see the updated payment options the next time they go to pay.